up, guys? So today I will be replacing my headlight bulbs. I got some LEDs and I hate the yellow, so I got my beam tech. I'll just in the box. Here it is. As you guys can see, I have down my intake because this side, the dark headlight, is really hard to take out. It'll reach right there. Turn it counterclockwise. And that should pop right out. There you go. Okay. On the passenger side, you put your hand right here. It should be easy, and you turn it this way. Turn it this way. And then pull it out slowly. And pull it out from here. LEDs on this side. I'm going to do it on this side. So one thing. You gotta fix this adapter right here. This right here. You gotta make sure it's exactly like stock. So you see right here, your headlight's supposed to be like this. The top part is your low beam, the bottom part is your high beam. And this adapter will not go in right. So you gotta remove the screw right here and align it. Align it like this. So see, this piece right here is supposed to be up like this. So you gotta remove the screw and make this go up like this. So this would be like this. You see the screw, I removed it from here. Now you gotta turn this so you can make it right. As you can see, this is turning. And it's supposed to be like this according to your stock headlight, as you see. So make sure you put the screw back in there so it's like this. Next we gotta plug this cable into the stock cable. So the cable's plugged in. Now we're gonna test the light. There's a low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. Now, put it in. Make sure you remember how you took it out. Just slide it right in there. You can see. There it is. Make sure it lines up right. And there you have it. It's good to go. Make sure you try to pull it and see if it pulls out. And then, there you go. Once you're happy with the result, put your intake back in. And you're good to go. If you want to know how to install an air intake, watch my video in the link below. So here are some before and after pictures. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below. Have a wonderful day, guys.